This is a story about context and what changes when you have it. Meet Sarah. 3 days ago, she ordered on her mobile app. Today, she came back on the web to add a protection plan, and it failed. Right now, she's opening a support chat. This is that moment. By itself, Sarah's signal tells you almost nothing, but every line around her is another customer moving through the same pattern in real time. When enough signals match, Conviva sees a cohort. Sarah is now one of 12,534 customers who've hit this same pattern in the last 30 days. Every cohort has two paths, two very different outcomes. Green path, customers like Sarah, but were able to get the plan added. Red path, same cohort, same intent, but they hit the wall she did. The distance between them is the gap. Conviva turns the gap into action, in two directions at once. Up to your team. Pulse X surfaces what nobody flagged, 1,847 customers hitting this exact failure. 73% of post-failure chats restarting from zero. $2.4 million in revenue at risk. And out to the agent. Without context, the agent starts cold. Hi Sarah, how can I help you today? With Conviva, the agent already knows her. Hi Sarah, I see you placed an order 3 days ago and ran into trouble adding a protection plan. Let me notify my product team of this problem and finish that transaction now. Same card on file? This is for the Walker accent chair, right? That's the difference context makes. Everything you just saw, Sarah's signal recognized, the cohort matched, the gap analyzed, your team alerted, the agent equipped, happened in 3 seconds. While Sarah was still in the chat, while she was still typing. Not Monday, not after a meeting. Right now. Context in real time. This is Conviva.